Hey guys, welcome to the Top 5 List channel. Are you looking best bike cassette in this video? I will show you the top 5 best bike cassettes to buy right now on your budget. You can check out the links in the description box. Also, make sure you subscribe, up to date with the latest video. Okay, so let's get started with the video. Number 5 is SPEDAO MTB Bicycle Cassette. Specifications: Model number WSD 801110336A1. Sensitivity 108 sounds. Material alloy. Gear teeth 10 to 36. Is customized? Yes. Freewheel speed 11. Components: Freewheel. Number 4 is Raro Road Bike Ultralight Freewheel. Specifications: Brand name, Raro. Type, road bike freewheel. Is customized? Yes. Model number, Raro CVR. Material, alloy. Gear teeth, 2834T. Freewheel speed, 11. Components, Freewheel. As the item number 3 we've selected, Sunshine Ultralight Mountain Bicycle Cassette. Specifications: Brand name, Goldix. Model number, Sunshine SE. Type, MTB Bike Freewheel. Sensitivity, 108 sounds. Material, aluminum. Gear teeth, 1152T. Freewheel speed, 12. Number 2 is ZRACE XDR 12 Speed Cassette. Specifications: Brand name, ZRACE. Model number, ZRACE XDR. Type, road bike freewheel. Material, carbon steel. Gear teeth, 28 to 44. Freewheel speed, 12. Components, Freewheel. On the top of our list at number 1 we have Sunshine Ultralight Cassette. Specifications: Brand name, Sunshine SE. Type, road bike freewheel. Is customized? Yes. Model number, Super Light Cassette. Sensitivity, 108 sounds. Material, alloy. Gear teeth, 11. Freewheel speed, 11.